So guys, today I get to put in coilovers on a brand new GTR. They're very expensive coilovers for this car since it's very new, and this thing has the stock VQ 3.8 liter. They usually push around 550 to like almost 600 from the factory, but this one has a little extra done to it, so this is probably like 600 to like 650 wheel, just like the old ones. They're stock twin turboed, and I don't know exactly what this edition is. Some say it's the black edition because of the wheels, some say it's a track edition. I really don't know. The best answer would probably be to ask the guy that owns the car, but since he's not here, I can't do that. So there's that, and it's just overall a really nice car. The inside has nice black and red interior, and it's just a really, really nice car inside. I've only been in a couple of these, so it's not that I really haven't gotten to experience anything in it. I mean, the one that I just drove around the parking lot, it hit boost really good, so that's awesome. But like I'm saying, I get to put coilovers on it, but the first thing that you guys do to install coilovers the correct way is you grab yourself a tape measure and you measure from the ground here to the top of the fender. And that's going to give you your rough estimate of ground clearance to start. And you do that all the way around the car. And since this one is kind of on the lift already, I'm going to just get a rough estimate of how high it actually is off the ground. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to take all the wheels off. And Roberto's saying that this is a very long job because you got to take the seats out in the back, like the entire seats out. You got to take the front axles out and a bunch of other stuff. So this is definitely going to take me a long time. So I'm not going to really get into detail on like showing you exactly what to do, but I'll show you little bits and pieces. Wow, that was fucking dumb. Little bits and pieces of what I'm doing, and then at the end I'll just show the car as low as it'll be, which it's only going to be like an inch and a half drop. So that's exactly what the customer wanted. He didn't want it to be super slammed. He just wanted it better for the track because he actually drag races this car and takes it to the track. So it's a perfect setup for him, and we'll get started on that. Okay guys, so step one, Roberto says, is to take the entire rear seats and interior out so that you can get off the two 12 mil bolts up on the top up there. They go right in there. And on that side, because you know GTRs can't be easy, and we're also working again with my favorite color, white. That's a big thumbs down. Thumbs down. I hate white cars. White cars, white interior, black everything. So guys, the rears are in and the fronts are in. Fronts were a little bit more challenging than the back. You had to take off the top nuts up there, pull this panel off to undo a line that's under there, and you have to take off the knuckle there, drop it down, take off the axle nut, make sure you don't pop the boot out from inside there, and just keep working on her. But now that everything, all the suspension's in, I can lower it back down and put the rear seats back in, and then Jack wants to take it for a test drive, so you can do that. But this car is almost done, and I believe the guy's gonna buy tires because he tracks this car and drag races this car. So, and his tires are a little chewed up, so he's got to do that. And I don't know what else I'm doing today, but I'll figure something out. So guys, me and Jack just took the white GTR for a ride. Thing launches like crazy. If you're not ready for it, it's gonna put you right in the seat and sink your stomach. So this thing's definitely got like 600 horse, Jack said. But we sent it over to Peter after he put some new tires and did an alignment on it, and it looks awesome. And this is definitely one of the cars that you should buy if you have, like, you could probably get one of these right now for like the first year they came out, probably 70 to like 80 grand. And that's for like one with like higher mileage and like isn't doing that great. But still, they're really sick to buy. And then really for 60 or 70 grand, 60 to like 80 grand, it's like you just say you own a GTR. So that's really cool. But that's about it for this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.